Hi everyone, in today's video I wanted to talk about the common estate planning documents that most of my clients need that will protect their family and secure their legacy for future generations. My name is Michael Donovan. I'm an estate planning and succession attorney here in St. Tammany Parish, Louisiana. So as I said at the beginning, we're going to talk about the common estate planning documents that most of you guys need. Now, with this brief disclaimer here that, of course, some of you may need different things. Some of you may need a trust to protect minor children, or you may need a living trust for a certain particular reason. But in today's video, we're going to talk about what I consider are the 4 documents that will provide you with a comprehensive estate plan that I mentioned before that can protect your kids and secure your assets for those kids. The first document we're going to talk about is the one that most of you guys know, and the one that I get asked most about when initial phone calls is, hey, I need a last will and testament. So the last will and testament is the document that really lays out what you want done with your estate. It lays out your heirs, who you want to be protected, and how we protect them. Another great benefit of writing a last will and testament is you get to name the executor of your estate. The executor is the person who will be in charge of distributing your property according to your last will and testament. Typically, their responsibilities include collecting all the assets, making sure all the heirs know about what they're entitled to, and making sure those assets get to those heirs. Typically, they hire an attorney to help them complete those tasks. And by naming this executor in a will, it gives you the option to name someone that you know and trust will do the best thing for your estate. There's a lot of things we can do with the last will and testament. It's a very important document. But the things that the last will and testament can't do is sort of protect you and your estate while you're still alive. And that's why we need to talk about the next 2 important documents, a durable financial power of attorney and a healthcare financial power of attorney. What durable means is that it'll last beyond your incapacitation, which is the whole point of these documents. The first one that we're going to talk about is the financial power of attorney. This basically allows a trusted loved one, a spouse, a son, to have access to your accounts, to make business decisions for you, to pay bills, to maintain your investments during a period where you're incapacitated. This could be some long-term, temporary incapacitation, or unfortunately, it could be due to an illness that renders you incapable to make your decisions on your own. The healthcare power of attorney, along that same vein, allows that same person, or it can be a different person, to help you with your healthcare decisions. They can help a doctor, they can be there, they can get access to your records with the HIPAA release. And these are important because they prevent the really unfortunate, you don't want to go through an interdiction or other court proceedings that they would have to undertake to gain access to those accounts. The last thing we're going to talk about is a living will. This is the document that states whether or not you want life-sustaining procedures. This differs from the healthcare power of attorney in the sense that healthcare power of attorney, you're making decisions for someone who is getting better, who's alive, who's active, who just may not be able to make those decisions on their own. As far as a living will, which is this person is only alive because of machines, because of they feeding through a tube. And this is a great thing you can do for your family because it takes that decision out of their hands. This way they know what you want to do. So quick review, the last will and testament, financial power of attorney, healthcare power of attorney, and living will. These documents form a core of a great estate plan and will protect generally most of you guys out there. As I mentioned before, if you have minor kids, you may want to consider doing some sort of trust for those kids. You may want to do trusts for other things. All those things you should talk to an attorney. You can email me, you can message me, you can call me. I'd be happy to hear from you, and I look forward to hearing from you. So if you have any questions, feel free, and I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thanks.